Hello friends, now to solve this radical expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. So in the BODMAS first we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for of or roots or exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now we must work from the innermost brackets to simplify the expression correctly. Now the step 1. Simplify the innermost radical. First we calculate root 16 and root 16 answer is 4. In the BODMAS rule we start with the innermost grouping, the deepest square root to reduce the expression complexity. Now the expression becomes first a large root 32 plus root 13, then plus root 5 and then plus 4. Now step second, addition inside the next radical. Now you can see 5 plus 4 inside the next 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So in the BODMAS rule within the current bracket the square root we perform addition before we can evaluate the root itself. Now the expression becomes root 32 plus root 13 plus root 9. Now step 3. We calculate root 9. So calculate root 9 is equal to 3. Now that the addition inside is finished, we evaluate the radical which functions as an order or exponent in the hierarchy. So now the expression becomes root 32 plus root 13 plus 3. Now the step 4. Addition inside the next radical. First we calculate addition 13 plus 3 equals to 16. So according to the BODMAS rule again we handle the addition within the grouping symbol before moving to the next operation. Now the equation becomes root 32 plus root 16. Now simplify the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. We resolve the second to last radical layer. Now the expression becomes 32 plus 4. And final addition and root. So 32 plus 4 equals to root 36. So we perform the final addition and then the outermost radical operation to find the total value of 36. Result is 6. Now conclusion. By systematically peeling back the layers of the inside out, following the logic of grouping symbols in BODMAS, the expression simplifies to a single integer. Correct option is D. 6 is the right answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.